frozen. Since learning I can make delicious and crispy wings in my air fryer from frozen chicken without thawing, I've been a menace. I know the Costco 50-pound frozen bag of wings hate to see me coming. I'm a 90s kid with take the meat out the freezer PTSD, so please clap for me, is what I wrote on my threads because I thought I was late to the party, but baby, apparently I was early because I've had y'all pounding down my comment section since, so I decided to just make a YouTube so I can show you better than I can type it to you. As you can see, I took these things straight out the freezer and they're going directly into my air fryer. Now, I have a Ninja 2-basket air fryer, but this would work with any air fryer that you have. This Ninja has an air fryer mode, but as long as your air fryer can get to 390 or 400 degrees, you're going to preheat those wings for about 10 to 12 minutes just to get them soft. I've had this air fryer about 2 years now and I love it. I love having the 2 baskets. This direct air fryer will be linked below. Now, these are my seasonings. You can season however you want your wings, but I prefer a dry rub. So the 10 minutes that you pre-cook those wings, that's just to get them soft enough to apply your seasoning to it. Now, I needed a bigger bowl, so don't come for me in my little baby bowl, but I'm going to just put a few wings in the bowl, and then you'll see me drizzle it with just a little bit of olive oil. You just need a little bit. Also, keep in mind, I'm doing this in smaller batches because I didn't have a big girl bowl, but if you have a bigger bowl, you can do all of your wing seasonings at one time and save yourself a few steps. Friendly reminder, I'm a stranger on the internet, so you get to flavor your wings exactly how you want to, because baby, I'm a flavor mine just like I want to. And as I said before, I prefer a little dry rub. So after I get all of my seasons on there, I'm going to mix it good. After you mix all of your seasons with that little bit of olive oil, you just want to make sure that your wings are completely covered and coated. So you'll see me whipping and mixing together. Now, this is the seasoned wings. Take a look how nice and golden they are. And these are the unseasoned wings, so they should look completely different. Now, after you get your wings seasoned, they're going back in the air fryer. I prefer to cook my wings with no aluminum foil or liner because that little bit of oil that you added for your seasoning, that oil is going to help crisp these wings up. I'm putting the wings back on air fry for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm just going to check them until they're goldeny brown to my preference. From here, you'll see me checking the wings. I wanted to show y'all what they look like through the different durations of the 5 and the 10 minutes as I'm adding them back and forth, back and forth. I'm just checking them. If they goldeny brown, great. If not, I add a few more minutes and check on them later. Now, baby, this is my favorite part. These are all done. Listen to the crisp. Now, I've shared plenty of times that I love going to restaurants and getting their ranch and their blue cheese because that's the best part. So I'm pulling out my reserve of my blue cheese. So don't judge me. Now, if you prefer a wet wing, this is when you would add your barbecue sauce, your wet lemon pepper, because your wing is fully cooked and flavored. But baby, listen to that crunch. Now, this is the goldenness that I like mine. They're completely cooked, but some people in my family like them even more goldenly brown. They like them even extra, extra crispy. And the beautiful thing about cooking at home, baby, you can do what you want to. Like and follow for more. Enjoy.